Lunchtime at 2 Eezy. Lunchtime at 2 Eezy. Hey. Question, you a ranch or a blue cheese? You do hot or you do Polynesian? Barbecue or with your sour cream? To be kinda honest, I don't need them. Got a partner, made it too easy. Introduce us to some new people. Politic, I need a few people. Now we got the whole crew eat. She said, what we finna eat? Same old, getting real lame. Told her put this on my mama. Yeah, I put that there on everything. Project put it on a new wave. Redefining how the food tastes. Dripping sauce on it, now she wants some. I got her eating off of 2 plates. Sauce dripping on my 10-piece. Dripping sauce when I do things. Sauce dripping, got the sauce fingers getting lost in it. Old Gucci Mane.